Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 16 of 100-Day Code of the Programming Zone. Today, we're reaching the pinnacle of function mastery by exploring output values in Python. Imagine functions as powerful tools, but with the ability to produce valuable results. Output values are like the products of these tools, providing useful information for your program to utilize. Get ready to elevate your Python skills and unleash the power of output-driven functions. What are output values? Think of output values as the answers your functions provide. They represent the information or results generated by your functions, which can be used by other parts of your program. Just like a calculator produces numbers as output, your functions can produce various data types, such as strings, numbers, or even complex objects. Why are output values important? Output values make your functions valuable and actionable. They allow your functions to provide useful information for your program to process and make decisions. Imagine you want to check if a number is even or odd. Your function can provide the output even or odd, which your program can use to display a message or perform further calculations. Let's see it in action. Example 1, greeting user with output. Let's modify our greeting function to return the user's greeting as output. Def greet username. Greeting equals f hello, name. Return greeting. Username equals input what is your name. Greeting message equals greet user with username. Print greeting message. In this code, we've modified the greetUser function to return the personalized greeting as an output value. The function stores the greeting in a variable and returns it using the return statement. Bonus tip, functions can return multiple output values as a tuple. Example 2, area calculation with output. Let's modify our area calculation function to return both the area and the perimeter as output. Def calculate area and perimeter length and width. Area equals length multiply width. Perimeter equals 2 multiply then length plus width. Return area, perimeter. Rectangle length equals float then input into the length. Return area, perimeter. Rectangle length equals float then input into the length. Rectangle width equals float then input into the width. Area, perimeter equals calculate area and perimeter then enter rectangle length and rectangle width. Printf the area of the rectangle is area. Printf the perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter. In this code, the calculate area and perimeter function now returns both the area and the perimeter as a tuple. The function stores the values in separate variables and returns them as a tuple. By now, you should have mastered output values in Python. They are the key to creating functions that deliver valuable information. Remember, output values allow your functions to provide useful results for your program to process, make decisions, and enhance the overall functionality of your code. So, go forth and empower your functions with output values, transforming them into powerful tools for solving complex problems and achieving your programming goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding fun. So we will see you in next video where we will be learning how to make a calculator in Python. So stay tuned and see you tomorrow.